Okay, everybody, we're back with traditional long division. This time we're going to talk about remainders. So our mnemonic device here to help us remember our algorithm and the steps that we follow is my DMS down dude over here. So we divide, then we multiply, then we subtract and bring down. And you can see it in his face. We divide where his eyes are, multiply with his nose, subtract with his mouth, and bring down with his neck. So here's our first problem. So we are going to first do our division step. So can 8 go into 9? Yes, it goes in one time. 1 times 8 is 8. You know what? I don't like that little dot there because it looks like a decimal. Okay, 9 minus 8, because that's our subtraction step, is 1. Bring down our 5. So that's our first round of DMS down. Then we're gonna divide. Can 8 go into 15? It goes in one time. 1 times 8 is 8. I subtract and get 7. So 7's really close to 8, but since it's still less, we're good to go. We're ready to bring this down. So 8 going into 77. So 8 goes into 77 9 times. 9 times 8 is 72. I subtract and I get 5. So my remainder is 5. 119 remainder of 5. All right, next one. So 6, can 6 go into 8? Yes, it goes in one time. 1 times 6 is 6. Subtract and I get 2. Bring down my 6. Can 6 go into 26? Yep, it goes in 4 times. 4 times 6 is 24. Subtract and I get 2. Bring down my 9. Can 6 go into 29? Yep, it can go in 4 times again. 4 times 6 is 24. Subtract and I get 5. And bring down my 7. Can 6 go into 57? Yep, it goes in 9 times. 9 times 6 is 54. I subtract and I get 3. So, and I didn't explain this in the last slide, but once you get down to this number, if there's nothing left to bring down and you're using whole numbers and not going into decimals, then this number down here at the bottom is going to be your remainder. So that's what goes up here, remainder of 3. So 1,449, remainder 3. All right, one last one. So 4, can 4 go into 7? Yep, it goes in one time. 1 times 4 is 4. Subtract and I get 3. Bring down my 5. Can 4 go into 35? Yep, it goes in 8 times. 8 times 4 is 32. Subtract and I get 3. Bring down my 3. 4 goes into 33 8 times again. 8 times 4 is 32. Subtract and I get 1. I'm going to bring down my 3. Can 4 go into 13? Yep, it goes in 3 times. 3 times 4 is 12. And I subtract and I get 1. So my remainder is 1. 1,883 with a remainder of 1.